If you could give an investor like a little advice,
yes,
what would it be?
Okay, first off, invest, don't gamble, right? Some people have this mentality that I just want to double my money real quick or triple my money. The reality is life doesn't really work that way, or everyone would be rich, right? So investing is for the long run. This isn't Las Vegas. Make your money work for you over the long run. Okay. What do you got for me, David?
Well, I think, and we talked about this one at the break too, it is at some point you've got to own accountability in your decisions.
Yep.
Okay. When it comes to investing, now maybe the decision is to hire somebody else. Haha, we know people, right? See me after class. But maybe it is, I just need to make better financial decisions about operating within a budget, whatever it is. But what I can tell you when it comes to finance is you may be really skilled at shifting the blame to somewhere else, but it won't be effective. Right?
You got to really
Blaming
stop
somebody
and
else
think.
means you play victim, and you know what? You still have lousy financial outcomes. So at some point, you say, if it's going to be, it's up to me.